What if one tiny change could double your tomato yield? And it takes less than 3 minutes. You are about to discover a powerful gardening trick that takes just 3 minutes to do, but it can completely transform your tomato harvest. The difference between a weak, struggling tomato plant and one that is full, healthy, and covered in juicy tomatoes often comes down to one simple thing that most gardeners ignore. Most home gardeners water their tomato plants from the top, give them sunlight, and maybe add a little bit of fertilizer. But if that is all you are doing, you are probably limiting your plant's full potential. Tomatoes are heavy feeders, and they depend on deep, strong root systems to grow big, beautiful fruits. The problem is that without the right technique, most roots remain close to the surface, making your plant weaker and limiting how many tomatoes it can produce. This is where the 3-minute trick comes in. It is called deep watering using a polyvinyl chloride pipe, and it works like magic. Here is how you do it. Take a short polyvinyl chloride pipe, about 12 to 15 inches long and about 1 to 2 inches in diameter. Drill a few small holes near the bottom of the pipe. Then, dig a narrow hole right next to your tomato plant and bury the pipe vertically in the soil, leaving just the top 2 or 3 inches visible above the ground. From now on, every time you water the plant, simply pour the water directly into the pipe. By using this method, you are sending water deep down into the soil, right where the roots need it the most. You are no longer watering just the top layer of soil. You are now helping the plant grow stronger by encouraging its roots to go deeper. The roots will become more powerful, and they will be able to absorb more nutrients from the soil. This means more tomatoes, better quality fruit, and a healthier plant overall. Here is the simple science behind why this trick works. Tomato plants naturally send their roots toward moisture. When you water only the surface of the soil, the roots stay shallow. This makes the plant weak and more likely to dry out during hot days. But when you water deep under the ground, the roots chase that moisture downward. This makes the plant stronger, more stable, and able to handle dry weather much better. It also allows the plant to take in more nutrients, which helps it grow more fruit. Another big benefit of this method is that it saves water. Since the water goes straight to the roots, it does not sit on the surface and evaporate. You use less water, and your plant gets exactly what it needs. It also helps prevent problems like fungus and mildew, which can happen when water sits on the leaves or the top of the soil. And here's the best part. This entire process takes only 3 minutes per plant. That is it. Just one quick visit to your local hardware store, a few simple cuts to the polyvinyl chloride pipe, and you are ready to go for the entire season. No special tools, no chemicals, no complicated system. Just smart, focused watering that gives real results. So here is your challenge. Pick just one tomato plant in your garden and install this deep watering pipe next to it. Then, over the next 2 weeks, compare it with your other plants. Look at the difference in the color, the strength, the blossoms, and of course the tomatoes. You will see the results with your own eyes. If you found this trick helpful, tell us in the comments below. And if you have your own gardening secrets, feel free to share them too. We love hearing from fellow gardeners. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications, because we have many more helpful tips coming your way. From growing tastier tomatoes to protecting your garden from pests, we are here to help you grow better every season. One small change, 3 minutes, big results. Happy gardening.